Have you ever dreamed of being a YouTuber and sharing your passions with the world? Imagine waking up every day and getting to share what you love with the world and getting to actually build a community around it. But with millions of creators already on YouTube, how do you stand out and create your own unique channel? I'm here to show you exactly how to do that. In today's video, I'll walk you through the process of becoming a content creator on YouTube, even if you are a complete beginner. So let's dive in and get started on your dream. Starting a YouTube channel sounds exciting, but it can be overwhelming. With so many content creators out there, how do you know where to start, where to begin? How do you get 100 subscribers or even 10? You may feel discouraged by the large number of people trying to make a presence on YouTube. And to make matters even more confusing, what is up with the algorithm on YouTube? It is such a mystery, right? But don't worry, these struggles are completely normal and they don't need to stop you from achieving success. Before we dive into the steps, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Also, hit that bell so you don't miss any tips or tricks that I give. If you are serious about starting your own YouTube channel, comment below. Tell me what kind of content you are thinking about creating. I get it. It's tough when you start out. You put in those long hours and it feels like nobody is watching. Trust me, every content creator has felt the same way when they were beginning. The road to success is not a straight line. It is full of learning, trial and error, and adapting. But with the right mindset, you can totally be successful at this. Remember, everybody makes mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn. If nobody ever made a mistake, nobody would ever learn a thing. We would stay exactly where we are. So if you're feeling unsure about taking this first step, and yes, it is scary, just remember, it's all about consistency and patience. So let's break it down into actionable steps so you can start building your channel today. Step 1, define your niche and content type. This is where you stop and ask yourself some questions. You're figuring out your niche. What are you good at? What are your passions? How do you want to relay that information to your audience? Are you good at vlogging? Would you like to teach? Would you like to do it through gaming? There are so many questions to ask yourself before you begin creating. So stop and think about it. Where do your talents lie? Pick a niche that excites you, but will also have an audience. Remember, YouTube thrives on content with a specific purpose. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to set up your YouTube channel. It's simple, but very important to do. You need a good profile picture, an engaging channel banner, and a channel description that lets your audience know what they can expect from you. Don't forget to create a YouTube trailer. This is the first thing your visitors see, so make it good. Step 3, create compelling and engaging content. Content is the heart of YouTube. You need videos that are not only interesting, but also offer value to your audience. Whether you do tutorials, reviews, or entertainment, make sure your videos are engaging from the start. You want to capture your audience in the first few seconds and keep them hooked throughout your entire video. Step 4, optimize for search engine optimization, otherwise known as SEO. These are the keywords that are relevant to your niche. You need to research these, find the ones that work for your niche, and then use them in your titles, your descriptions, and your tags. The more specific and searchable your content is, the better chance you have of scoring higher in those YouTube rankings and getting your video views. Step 5, build consistency and stay engaged with your audience. Most successful YouTubers upload consistently. That does not mean it has to be every single day, but you do need to establish a routine and stick with it. So if you're thinking you want to upload or post about 4 times a week, pick 4 consistent days. How about Saturday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, just as an example. Sit down, look at your schedule, figure out what works best for you. Engage with your audience. Ask them questions. Ask them for feedback. Let them feel like they're part of your community. When they feel like they're part of your community, they're more likely to subscribe and to share your videos with others. So make everybody feel included. Step 6, promote your content on other platforms. Social media is an incredible tool for growing your YouTube channel. Don't just stick to YouTube. Branch out to other social media places. Don't forget about TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Share your videos here as well. Don't just limit yourself to YouTube when there are so many other places where you can attract customers and pull people in to watch your content. Now you have your roadmap to success. It is time to get started. If you'd like a copy of my free content planner guide, all you need to do is type content planner in the comments and I would be happy to get that for you. So why should you start a YouTube channel? Well, here are the benefits. Personal growth. You're learning new skills, you're building new relationships, and you are learning to communicate better every day. Building a loyal community. YouTube allows you to interact with people from all over the world who share the same passions as you. Monetization opportunities. From ads to sponsorships, YouTube offers many ways to make money doing what you love. Flexibility. You control your schedule, your content, and the direction you want to take your channel in. You are in control here. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions for me, I would be happy to answer them. Just put them in the comments. If you'd like to share the content that you are thinking about creating, you can also put that in the comments. I would be happy to help you get started in any way. Just reach out through those comments or through my email, which you can find in my website, which is in the description. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.